Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Kwamboka Judith. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and thank you so much. Today we are going to unbox this 50 pieces cookware. It's stainless steel. We're going to see what is inside here. So let's unbox it. And by the way, if you bought this cookware from Egyptians, and if you buy it in cash, it's 22,000. But if you buy it in installments, whereby you pay a deposit of 1,000 and you pay the rest in monthly installment of 5,000, you pay around 28,000. But it's worth it. Worth the price. So if you can see here clearly, we have the sufurias, the cooking pots. There are 5 of them, spoons and various things. We are going to see the 50 pieces parts in it. So first we have this. We have the 3 knives. We have for the bread, the small knife and the bigger knife. And we have this one, I will call it a grater. You can chop you can use it for chopping the potatoes. And we have a scissor. Then next, you also have a card. It comes with a card whereby you will confirm if these are the best quality or the legit company that you bought. So they give you the card to confirm with it. Then we have this one. This one is an onion cutter. You put your onion here, then you press. It's an onion cutter. You can also see the packages, how they package it. It's so nice. To remove this one, and this lid is protected with this steel. Even when it falls down, it cannot break. We can test it. You can see this. You see, it cannot break because of the steel that covers it. Then we have these 4. This is when you have prepared your meal and it's on the table and you want to open the lid and it's too hot. You just put this one here, then you carry it up. Mostly it will, you see, when your lid is hot. And about the lid, when you see the lid top, let me bring it closer. It can show you the temperature of the meal, of the food that is covered. But then we have this one. There are 2 of them. These are, you will use them. They also have, I don't know if you can see them clearly. This is where you put, when your sufuria or your cooking pot is too hot and you want to put them on the table, these are what you put them on so that to protect your table from burning. And we have this one. These are the covers. The cover for this one. I'm going to show you after showing you this one. So we have this the big, I think this is the biggest sufuria. Let me confirm. No, this is the biggest sufuria. This is the bigger one, the bigger sufuria. It's 9.0 liters, it's 9 liters. This is the bigger one. It's stainless steel, remember. Then the next one is 7 liters. they all have a lid. Let's see the third sufuria. So we have the third sufuria. This is the third sufuria. It's 2.5 liters. Then we have the fourth one, 1 liter, and the last one, 1 liter too. Those are the 5 sufurias, and they all have lids. They all have the lids. These are their lids. Then after the sufuria, we have this one for steaming, the steaming pot. This is the steaming pot. Then the next one, we have this one, the potato fryer. Then the last one is the pan. By the way, guys, these things are so heavy and they are of good quality. And to show you those guys are legit, you can imagine giving a deposit of 1,000 and someone gives you all this so that you can pay in installments. Someone can say that there is somewhere they can buy at 15,000. Let me tell you, when you confirm those, the ones that they are being sold at 16,000, and the one that the Egyptians sell, these ones are so heavy compared to the other ones. And these ones, you can see they have the card that where you can confirm that they're legit and from that company. The company is the Delta AEA. So you can Google it and confirm the company. So we also have this one. These are the graters. They come with this holder and this cover. So when you want to grate, we have three graters. One, not even three, guys, there are 4. So they're in sizes. We have this one. We have this size, and the last one, this size. So when you want to grate something, you just put this in, then you cover, then you grate. So your product will be inside this one. Then let's see another thing that comes with it. It comes with spoons. When you see in the box, you have been told they come with 6 spoons. And it's true, there are 6, we can confirm. 1, and they're of good quality. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Sorry guys for the noise. There are 6 spoons and they're of good quality. They're also stainless steel. Then we also have this one. It comes with the cookware. We also have this. I don't know what it's used for, but you can tell me on the comment section. We have this one. We have this. That one for the fries, or for the deep frying things. Then I think lastly it comes with these ones. These are for the condiments. There are 3 of them. You can put sugar, salt. These are the condiments for the condiments. Condiments. Hey. There are 3 of them, and they have this holder where you place them on. You see? Okay guys, that is all about this cookware, the 50 pieces cookware stainless steel, and I can guarantee you these are the legit things. I bought them from the Egyptians. Yes. And I told you how much they sell it. And they're of good quality. Thank you so much guys for staying till the end. If you have not subscribed, please tap that button of the subscription, and for the notification, that bell, please tap it for the for more notifications, so that you cannot miss any video. Thank you so much guys. Until next time, bye.